Welcome back to the Mountain Man Medical YouTube channel. Thanks for hanging out. Today, I got something cool. We're putting together custom trauma kits. So if that's something that you're interested in, hang out. We're going to talk about that next. So here at Mountain Man Medical, we do a lot of trauma kits. We have our pre-assembled, ready-to-order kits. This one is the Wind River. It is one of our most bodacious kits. It's got a lot of bleeding control and a lot of OTC items for your basic boo-boos and Band-Aids and that kind of stuff, but a lot of bleeding control stuff as well. Now, we've been approached by a lot of different people saying that they want some custom trauma kits. They say, hey, your bodacious kit, I like it, it's just not that big. I want something bigger. So, hey, no problem, right? Give me a call, send me an email, tell me what you want, what you're looking for. I'll talk to you and help you design a kit that's gonna work for your exact location and the type of things that you're into. For example, a lot of people like to have additional medical supplies in their POV, in their personal vehicle. For that, we have a couple of different options. One of those might be a large case like this, but I would recommend going for something a little bit smaller that you can put on as a backpack that you can kind of carry around. That might be more beneficial for you if you need to leave your vehicle and take all that gear with you. So let's go ahead and hop into this kit and kind of see what we've got going on and what you might be able to have in your own custom car trauma kit. All right, let's open this sucker up. On the inside, we have some Velcro for some various items, such as our strap cutters. We've got our trauma shears, hemostats, an extra easy to reach tourniquet, and a headlamp. Headlamps are going to be one of those most important things that you're going to need to have, especially if this is going to be a car kit. If you're going to be working on somebody alongside the road in the middle of the night in very nasty conditions, you want to make sure that you're easy to see and it's easy for you to see. And having something that's hands-free like a headlamp is going to be essential for you to tie on those tourniquets and everything when everything's nice and dark. So making sure that you've got some of those items easily and readily accessible to you is going to be essential. The box itself is going to be one of those important items, right? I want to run up to wherever that car is or where that casualty is, turn this up, and open it and have everything that I need at easy access. Inside here, we're going to have easily identifiable and well-organized kits. Each one's going to be labeled so we know exactly what's in it so that we can grab the quickest thing and start applying airways or bleeding control or whatever the situation calls for. Specialty items such as this BVM, bag valve mask, are applicable and we can add those to the kit. There's going to be a significant fee on that though because we don't carry some of those items in stock. But if there's something that you want, we could probably get it for you. So let us know if you have any type of specialty items and we'll do what we can to see that we can get those for you. Now, if this is something that you're looking at and you would like to get one or maybe 5, let us know. We have lots of bulk discounts available for you and your organization. So don't let that stop you. If you want to get something that's a little bit more bodacious, can take care of a lot more people in a lot more situations, make sure you talk to us, send me an email, give me a phone call, and I'll talk to you about how to set up your own personalized, customized trauma kit.